What's up, guys? This is Manoj Kumar. Welcome back to my React tutorial. This is the fifth video of this tutorial. Previously, I have explained React fundamentals, React basics, and React hooks about UseState and UseEffect. So today we are going to see about UseContext and some things about state management. So before getting started, if you guys haven't watched the previous tutorials, I will give the link in the description. Just go ahead and check it out. And if you guys are new to my channel, then hit the red button down below so that you won't miss any tutorials like this. So let's get started. So if you have watched my previous tutorials, we have just went through use state, use effect. So this is the same piece of code that I have used previously. Nothing has changed. So now I'm going to the app.js file. Here first I'm going to include create context and use state. So first we are going to create the context called const theme. I'm going to export this create context variable by export like so, and export const theme context, which equals to create context of nothing. So here I have created a context variable called theme context and I'm just exporting it. So here we are going to switch the dark and light theme of our web page through a button. So first I'm going to use useState to change the dark and light theme. First we will create a state variables called theme within square brackets like so, which equals to use state of, I will give a default value of true. Our default value of true means the theme is dark. So now I'm going to write a function to toggle our theme. We have to change our theme. So we will write a arrow function which sets the theme to light. If I toggle it, I will give a not theme value. So yeah, so now inside this div tag I'm just going to have this theme dot context. So create context variable contains two things in it. One is a provider, theme context dot provider in our case, and another is theme context dot consumer. We won't be using theme context dot consumer because it is only made for classes. So here we are only writing the function because we are using React hooks. So we don't need those consumers. We will just have produce providers like so, and we will give a value of, we will be giving a value of theme, this true or false boolean value. That's it. Like so, I am just going closing this tab, and I will call this header component inside this context like so. So now I'm going to have a button to toggle the theme, like on click event of change theme like so, and inside the button I'm going to have a value of toggle theme, like so. And so now the work has been done in the app.js file. Now I'm jumping into this header file. So now I have to include the use context, like so. So now we have to write. We have to get the. We have to we have exported this theme context, and we are going to import it in the header component, like import theme context from this app component, like so. And I'm going to create use context, and so theme context is a create context variable, and I'm going to pass this as a parameter to the use context, like const theme, which equals to use context of theme context, like so. So we have created a use context by passing this value. This value is nothing but a boolean value, so which has been assigned to this theme variable. So now I'm going to create an object of styles, because we have to style this web page as. So we have to give a background color, of we have to check the theme value because it is a boolean value. If theme is true, then the background color must be black, else the background color will be white, like so. And we will give a text font color of, if the theme variable is true, then we will have a color of white to the text. If it is false, we will be having a color of black to the text. So now here I want to add this style by giving a style attribute which equals to styles, like so. So now everything has been done. Well, something went wrong, I think so. Oh, sorry guys, I have missed a D here. So now if I refresh, so now it is visible that. So here in this app component, the theme is of true. So I'm just passing this theme as a value to every child of this theme context provider. So this theme can be used inside this header component. So I'm just importing the theme context over there, and I'm just passing it into the context, so that theme is now a boolean value. If the theme is true, the background color will be black because it is in a dark mode, and the font color will be white. So if I toggle this theme button, then the theme will be a light theme, like so. If I toggle this again, then the theme will be dark. If I toggle this again, then the theme will be a light theme. So we can have n number of childs inside, like so. If I refresh this page, yeah, it will toggle everything. So I can have n number of childs inside this theme context provider. So every child inside this theme context provider will be will have an access for this theme context, so that we can provide toggle this theme like so. So guys, we have managed this state. This is a smaller example. If you need or if you got confused, then what is your doubt? Then just comment it down. So if you guys need another bigger example for this use context, then just comment it down. I will post another tutorial, detailed tutorial for this. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. So if you guys haven't subscribed, then go ahead and subscribe first so that you won't miss any tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.